I told y'all I was gonna come through with the DIY drawstring ponytail. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am keeping my word. I told y'all I was gonna make my own drawstring ponytail, and your girl did just that. And the best part is, this cost me like $15 to make. And I still have extra supplies. $15, that's about how much I paid for the drawstring ponytails in the bag. And this one I got to customize and do it to my liking and make sure it was secure. Like, look at this. Look, it's not coming off. If y'all want to see how I made this ponytail, then just keep on watching. So all you're gonna need is your hair. I'm using this pack from Remyzone, a dome cap, some stretchy headbands, and a hot glue gun. First thing you're gonna do is take your dome cap and just put it around your bun. See how much space you're gonna need. For people with thick, longer hair like me, obviously our buns are huge. So go ahead and measure it out, and then you're just gonna cut off the extra fabric that you don't need. Now what you're gonna do is bend the edge over and glue it down, but you wanna make sure that you're gluing along the edge so that you have space in the middle to go ahead and stick the band through. And that's basically what I'm doing here. Now you're gonna take one of your headbands and cut it in half. Go ahead and stick a safety pin to one end of it so that way you can feed it through the hole that you made. This is why you wanna make sure that you're gluing along the edge and don't just glue the whole edge down. You wanna leave space so that you can feed your elastic band through. And this is pretty much what you're gonna have when you're done. Now I'm just taking my hair, and of course I'm cutting it into smaller pieces to fit on this little thing. I'm gonna use my hot glue gun and just glue it right on. Eventually I started using like pins that you would use to sew clothes to just stretch out the dome cap. That way I can make sure that like I was gluing the tracks on where they needed to be. And you're basically just gonna repeat that along the entire piece of fabric. So in the end, this is what I was left with, and as you can see, there is still some empty space. So what I'm gonna do is just take an extra track and glue it all the way along. I wanna make sure I'm taking a long track this time and glue it from one side to the next so that there's no empty space. Once you're done with that, you're pretty much done. So I'm just gonna take the ends of my elastic band, wrap it around, tie it in a nice little bow, and then take a piece of the ponytail and wrap it around just to make sure that there's nothing showing. And you're pretty much done. So freaking simple and easy. It fits perfectly around my bun. It looks cute. It's just how I like it. I could pull it and it won't fly off. It's just awesome, man. Just awesome. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you guys try this out, let me know how it worked for you in the comments. If you have any other tips, let us know in the comments below. And of course, that's right, go ahead and click it. That's right.